What's up, boss fam? It's your boy Dun Beezy, and today we're going to be talking about the rules of the skating rink. Specifically, what is the inside and what is the outside and why does it matter? Let's get into it. In more Eurocentric skate cultures, the difference between the inside and the outside really doesn't matter, because you can go to a session and people will be pushing their stroller around at that thing. If you go to a session and you see somebody on the floor with a stroller, it's a good sign that this is a free-for-all. But if you're in the style skating community, we've established some rules to help the culture run more smoothly, because the floor can get hectic. There are two major circles drawn on most skate floors. There's one that forms a circle in the very middle, and then there's another one that's about halfway between the wall and that circle in the middle. Well, the area inside of that circle in the middle is known as the inside. And the area where people skate around that circle is known as the outside. The rules of the inside change depending on where, when, and who you're skating with. If you're at a family session, the inside is designated for learners and children. They try to keep advanced skaters out of the inside at some skating rinks. I've gotten kicked out of skating rinks for doing groundwork on the inside. At adult sessions and more advanced sessions, the inside can be used for a lot of different things. Sometimes people create dance circles in the middle of the inside because styles like the up top style, they will break down the skate floor and practice their turns in a smaller area. Sometimes people battle and freestyle in the middle of the floor as well. And other times people practice advanced tricks and maneuvers. So it really depends on what rink you're in. One caveat about adult sessions: adults skate like adults. The floor guard isn't as active and people skate up and down the skate floor, and sometimes they will cut through the middle or the inside of the skate floor. So you should always be vigilant when you're skating at adult sessions. The area on the outside of this circle is known as the outside, and this is where people skate traditionally and do different tricks and dance moves skating around the rink. And there are some rules to the outside as well. One, always go in the direction that the DJ says. Generally, people skate counterclockwise, but sometimes the DJ will call reverse skate. Additionally, people generally skate slower towards the middle and faster towards the edge. You know the difference between the slow and the fast lane by looking at that second circle in the rink. There are some exceptions though. There are certain skate techniques that are extremely slow that people will practice on the very outside of the rink, like the slow walk. And depending on where you go and depending on how the culture is set up, different things can happen to you. If you are skating at Cascade in Atlanta, do not slow walk on the outside because you will get pushed down. They do not play out there. But other rinks are more accepting of people skating slower on the outside. Well, anyway, boss fam, that's all I have for you today on the Boss History Bite. If you want to learn more about the style skating culture and the style skating history, make sure you check out my other Boss History Bites as well as the Boss History Bingo book. If you search the terms on my bingo sheet, you're gonna learn a whole lot. Well, until next time, log on, boss fam. Bye.